Kubleshwan viewer session part tekane ko video kare namta gitu kiba clean mar kidon kiba comment ha to video kabra ini namta kiba kwa ban apply ya kya course DLED tekane kade ko online link mo kide kiba kwa apply kana ka course DLED 2-year diploma in elementary education kabade jongga sarkar kane bre bhaban pulih kidayat marhapo ki district institute of education and training dayat kidon nagi jongjong district per kidon district important bade ki haban lecha ka to ka district ka badang deilang te kane kare ke jong government mo kiran artali ka wei kade jong CTTC kabade sora ka to bade kade laka jong ke GBC kane bre de jong ka government te kane bre pha pandap online mo kono online te clear ka link kumno baniu te ka link kade kane mo da kan mo ba sakan mo ba kane ka link kade dert.makeeducation.gov.in/drt/instruction.html nane pira sabu ekane link hapo description salai direct hang turu lana filaban tho rakanero drt.makeeducation.gov.in pat kan saya lamai direct ha kaneka ban apply bade tegila don instruction hang neru dengan syupen batai hang ne instruction namar ba fila ban apply hi da ka mobile tru lada pinang ban apply ban upload digidor gijon kambaro ibade berkane te hang ne apni online application for the 2-year diploma in elementary education DLED for the session 2024-26 ne District Institute of Education and Training Dayan. Didor bakali yang ang lano online kiwan one text ang lano online kin pelaj application namta kadayat ha sora tegine kadai lang ma ya baro kidayat de soran la de nongpo ne la de ha join ne de noston ne de po garu ne hangno nur kadai lang ya baro kadai gaju tang ba apply batch katkum ka district ka Bapidon katkum ka epic ka jongpi kan mama kan page ka epic the instruction to apply lada badon gijing instruction hne ban apply ru lada bang hne fill of online application form upload passport size photograph signature payment of application fees tanga try kitu gi banang ban apply lang ba ka mobile tang ban upload dor ber signature bar siu bisa pila ban apply hi lang ba ka phone menodon kam ban lech ki cyber man upload dia ka bai pen apply da pule bahai instruction kibom nang bregi haban lej ma kibanang ta hab le hi be please the following instruction carefully before you registration nadap batai lupa instruction kumno ban ka size jong ka dur ka de belong hapo shis pak kb ka signature de belong hapo shis pak kb phab edit ya kata amde re ban he te kata after submitting form you will read the page upload scan to adap nang ka tu phab upload and payment link phab nang man siu online la bandai da debit credit card ne kan kan fi la ban siu then fees can be using net banking debit credit card or cash payment using e-challan phila ban siu cash payment ru lakaba penonka mekaneka e-challan at any branch of SBI and note that mean following application form doesn't apply that you have to apply for the same you need to pay ha ada phila da pandap ro ka form la phi claim pat siu ka fees kumut ba phi claim pat pandap kempada apply kan tangki ba fulfill ka eligibility criteria kila ban apply ngong ma 100% sejrong ki baduna ka 100% kin sha reject bai kan mau kan page bai naka voters id ke jong phi te phila ban apply gine ladap thong ne applicant from East Garo must apply to Dayat Reservoir Para from East Janja to Dayat Thalosken East Khas Hill Dayat Sora Eastern West Dayat Nongston North Garo Hill Dayat Reservoir Para Ribhoy Dayat Nongpo South Garo Hill Dayat Bangmara South West Garo Hill Dayat Tura South West Khasi Hill Dayat Nongston South West Garo Hill Dayat Tura West Janja Hill Dayat Thalosken West Khas Hill must apply to Dayat Nongston tegidon ki bai lada batai lupa hangne ba phiaban apply hakata ka Dayat ada batai lupa kum hajan dia karon tangawai kum baka east berka west apply lang haju kum ha West Khas Hill karon tangawai kum baka eastern west berka south west Khas Hill kin apply lang hapo West Khas Hill kum ha Dayat Nongston te kum ta terter click here to apply ki ba ko apply bresa klik hangne te kan ne link sabu hapo description mas pila ban apply hi lane pila ban yu markidon ki bakali ta kada ong sachnak nang ne video nam ta kitu ki ba don kam ya kan ne link itang ni jing batai kulish bana